We are about to go fly to my home country. There's a beautiful Japanese airplane flying above the cloud, and we can see here the Mount Fuji from above. Look at that. Can't believe it, man.
Yeah. And I pick out my targets like it's eeny, miny, mo. And my waves, they be riding, but they in a tiny boat. This my shit, I'm taking over, it's my time and they should know. They ain't shit, they can try, but they can't stop me once I go. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? This is your boy Japino here, and I'm with my family. And you know what? I am here in Narita Airport, and we are about to go fly to my home country. Have some relaxed time. And you know what? It's really cold in here. That's why I will go to Philippines. I think the degree in Philippines right now is about like 28 to 27 degrees. That's not so hot, but I've heard that there's a storm coming. So well, hopefully we will have a safe flight with my boy. Baby, this is your first time to go to Philippines, huh? This is your first time to go to Philippines. What can you say? First time to go to Philippines. What can you say, huh? Anyway, guys, this is just So my plan there is to stay for a couple of months, so that I can think and relax my mind. And of course, I will do more updates, more review. We will be going there, and I will be going to make vlogs, Philippines, our lifestyle there, where we will go, what kind of lifestyle we will going to do there, right? That's it. And if you are looking at this video and you are now in Philippines, if you're a Filipino and you know me, just and if you want to have some network, some hangout, sometimes just message me down below and let's meet up. Boom! What's up, guys? We just passed through the immigration and we are now here inside in the airport, and we're heading to the boarding gate. And man, there's just a bunch of branded Gucci, SK2, MAC, Giorgio Armani. There's a beautiful Japanese. Oh my goodness. I'm just really excited to go there. And well, weather in Philippines will be it's a sunny day, but weather here in Japan is very cold and not relaxing for me, because my mind is frozen.
It is cold, can't go outside anymore.
Of this winter time. Wow, that's a really nice place right there. You can see outside, and you can see also the plane. And we are heading to this place. We are in the number 81 gate, and this is it, man. Anasui. And my wife is looking for something. I don't know what she is looking, but I'm not going in. I'm just walking around here, man. Outside. There's an Asian cafe, man. Look at that. We've already ate, so just keep on going. Ooh, look at the Bulgari. Look at all this branded celebrities kind of place. Let's go. Well, what would you like me to do there in Philippines? Right? I'm planning to do more. I mean, anything. I'm planning to go travel. Wow. What is going on here, guys? Hold on. Let me just go share you this. This is a tax-free, duty-free Akihabara. Akihabara is a very famous place here in Japan, which you can buy this, gadgets or something, computer, anything. But look at that. That's Akihabara. Maybe there's a bargain or something inside. So they're in the line. But I don't understand it. They said Akihabara, which is really famous for gadgets, but there's nothing gadgets in there, but just only food. Anyway, oops. Where's the 81 gate? Oh, you are awake! You are awake, bro. 81. Stop. I believe downstairs. Down. Let's go down. Wow. Look at that. Second floor. 2. Okay, let's go. All right, so that's the place. Shuttle bus in there. Let's go here, Seiko, Los Angeles. And where are we now? Where are we now? Where is the Manila? Boom! That's we are there, man. Manila, 1:15 p.m. Yup, that's where we are. Philippine Airlines. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My goodness, man. This is how we do, guys. We'll be watch me. What? Let me handle this. Yeah. That's him right there, baby. And he's about to go. Oh, he did it. He did it. Oh my God. He's looking out there. Boy, what are you doing? What are you playing? Look, what are you playing? Look. Isa. Shh. He's having fun. You're having fun, Isa? Isa, let's go. Shh. Let's go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Just come back here. What's that? That's in the playground. Give it back. What's up, guys? So now we are here sitting on an airplane. Man, I can't believe it. We have a priority pass. Okay, let's stop that. And baby, how are you doing? Ooh, he really loves looking outside of that airplane because he really like plane, always a plane. You have also your own plane, right? Where is it? Where's your plane? Where is your plane? What are you looking at? You're looking at there? Yep. We're now in our seat. And I'm really excited to meet up with my relatives there, my cousin, my partner in crime. We're going to talk business while relaxing in the beach. Oh, here we go. Here's your airplane. No, not this. That one. That's your airplane, right? That's your airplane. Hello. Okay, what's that? That's Mount Fuji, man. Wow, we are already here in airplane flying above the cloud, and we can see here the Mount Fuji from above. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Yeah, bro. Can't believe it, man. How is your first time flying? How is the flight?
we set it up on your room now?
Yeah, please. Thank
So
you.
the few months looking into twin bed
Yeah.
16 for 16.
Okay, thank you.
Can we assist you with luggage?
Oh, yeah.
Did they give you a luggage tag po?
Yeah, we have.
I'll have it sent to your room na lang, sir.
Okay, thank you. Wow, nice service like that. Sana ba yun? Sana ba yun? Parang wala naman. Ay, ito pa.
I have it delivered to your room.
Yep.
Thank you. Elevator
Thank you.
on the middle right. Enjoy
Yep.
your stay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Maybe this one will just bring it. Thanks. Hey, we're just in the new world. Oh, Chopino here. That's the dub, man. That's the energy right there. Just really big. Man, look at this place. My goodness, so massive. Elegant. Look at that place right there. Ah, Christmas light. Christmas tree. What's up, boy? You are now in Philippines. You are now in Manila. New world. Hello. Let's go. Thank you. Ito na. 160. 116? Yeah, maybe, yeah. What? Huh? 1629. 1629. This one. No. This place. Yeah. This place, baby. This place. Where is this place? 1629. It's 32. Oh. You heard that? Ooh, you heard that. Hold on. Boom! Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. Yeah, that's a good place. Ooh, very good place, man. How are you, boy? Jump in, boy. Jump in. Okay, let's set this up. Let's set this up.